How to add a team member in CoreXBiz. From the employee portal, go to Profiles. Profiles is your team directory. See count, member cards, and the people you assign work to. To bring someone on, click Add New Member. The Add Member form opens. Fill in the details for the new employee. Enter the first name. We'll add Casey. Enter the last name, Nguyen. Choose a unique username for their login. Add their email address. Select a role that fits their work on the team. Set the department. We'll use operations. Add a job title, such as production coordinator. Set a password, then confirm it so they can sign in. Pause and review the filled form before you create the member. Click Create Member to save the profile into the directory. Confirm Casey Nguyen appears in Profiles with the rest of the team. To edit someone, open their profile with View Details on the card. The edit form shows contact details, role, department, and schedule. Change what you need, then use Update Member when something changes. When you are done reviewing, close the profile and return to the directory. That is how you add and edit team members in Profiles.